Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Windows app on Ubuntu Linux. As you can see right here, I've installed WinRAR, the Windows version of WinRAR. And when I go to my start menu, if I go to, you're going to see that I have WinRAR installed. Let me open it. This is the Windows version of WinRAR. So if you want to uninstall Windows apps on Windows software on Linux, this is how to do it. You have to click on Wine. I'm using Zorin OS. It might be different from the distro you're using. So click on Wine. You have to click on Uninstall Wine Software. It will open up this option to add or remove program. All the Windows app you have installed will be listed here. So I have WinRAR. Click on it and click on Modify/Remove. Do you want to uninstall WinRAR? Click on Yes. And now WinRAR will be removed. Now the next thing you're going to do is to check if you're going to see the app. Go to Wine and you can see that the WinRAR is not there anymore.